Hello and welcome to Chateau. We are Bradley and Yves, an English-Belgian couple who bought a chateau in the center of France. To restore and breathe new life in this lovely chateau and fulfill my late mum Yvette and our dream, creating a safe haven for people and animals in need. To help recover and find health and happiness again while staying at our chateau. It is a very big task fixing a chateau, and we did have not yet even started on the grounds and forest. Follow us on our journey as we try to bring this dream to life. Hiya. What I'm doing now is, you know, they were already painted, half of them. I did the rest. They were loose, the sticks. I tried to get them as straight as I could, and they still look a bit, some of them were broken, some of them went crooked, just from the rain, because they exposed a lot, way more than the ones downstairs. Because downstairs the windows go a bit in, not here, isn't it? But what happened when I just arrived, I got that all out. That was all nailed. It's small little nails, and a lot of them broke off. And because they wetted a lot of them were crooked. But I didn't want to chuck them away. I don't like chucking things away. It's not like they're that expensive, because I still have to make them all for there. There was only one window who had that. But the windows are done. Just to make sure, I gave them yesterday an extra coat. So that's coat 5 or 6 now on it. So definitely, I think 6. Yeah, I think 6. So definitely enough. And it's not nailed now. It is screwed. And wait, I'm going to show it to you. That one is a bit more difficult to open. I don't like the noise of that. See, it's just screwed here. And there I do it. Seriously? That's new poop. Just in one day. Bombheads. But you can see they didn't sew them off on the proper size. But with this and this, as long as these are straight, I'm kind of happy. This one I need to redo a tiny bit. It needs to go a little bit more that side. But now with screws, it's easy, isn't it, to get them better on. And you can hear Brady still with his trimmer going. First time he's using his trimmer, so quite happy. Well, no, he used an electric one, but never the hefty one now. So the windows look way better if you think about it. Wait, let me close this. Look. And then this dried 3 days, and it's still, when you open it, then get a tiny bit of the paint off. But it really annoys me. Somebody knows a trick not to prevent that, you can, and don't say leave them longer open or not touching. That's supposed to be dry in 24 hours. It's not oil paint, but it definitely looks better like this than like that, doesn't it? Gives it a little bit more ooh la la. Alright, let's get on with it. Well, that's these done now, and I need to make new ones for that. So that's, I don't know if I would make them the same size as you actually only noticed when we sat here for an ice cream. If you look at these ones, be the same, and then these ones are smaller. So probably the ones there, I need to make the same width as that, not as that, and not make it look silly. What do you think? Brady, I think, will mostly be done with he's trimmed as much as he could, and now he's cutting the grass with the mower. So let's go see Brady. Hello again. Two of our neighbors got the same idea like Brad, trimming and cutting their grass. He wanted me to see. Well, he already did. It's the first time I S-trim the more heftier ones. So, oh, he got quite far. He did this bit. This he got yesterday, I think. That's actually the nice to the nice gate. The main end that was literally, yeah, that's the right word. The main entrance, isn't it? Look at that route. Can you see it? From there to there. That's a redwood. And do you remember in the roof we have all these beams that were laying there that we use? They came from this tree. And Chicky's not too happy from the neighbor. We don't use that because the main gate needs to be fixed. With fixed I mean it's... Oh, should I put my boots on instead of my loafers? And once we fix the gate, we can come in here. Well, after throwing more stuff, of course, like some trees away. And yeah, this bit, you know, we talked in the Q&A about. Oh, he's still gonna have trouble then to drive that. Okay, you couldn't walk here anymore. Concentrate. These are the 4 neighbors we have. 1, 2. That were originally on the plot, of course, of the chateau. They're very quiet neighbors, so no complaints there. Hello! And here we got a British person in the wilds in France doing some strimming. You got it that much down?
Fallen tree.
Ah. Was it a big one?
Oh, that's only half of it. The other half is still standing.
Okay. Oh, yep. Let's go over. Let's go not over. That's too high with my loafers on. Ow, 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 ow. Let's retract that. The brambles go through my loafers. I don't know if I can make it bigger. No. That's our lovely gate. That's we come back once it's done, isn't it, Brady? I was afraid he wouldn't get through it after he trimmed it, but that went pretty well. I need to get the wood bits out of that. You can see the gate again. Hello. My windows are done. You okay?
Oh. Not exactly doing much, but...
Yes? You did this?
The moss is so bloody thick you can't really tell.
We have a lot of moss here. That's just because it's been...
Because it's been let to go wild.
Yes.
Plus, it's fucking flies.
Yeah.
Nearly
They're
always
mozzies, I think.
There's lots of
Very
normal-
small flies, though.
Yeah, the fly around here as well. It's nearly always wet here. Just look at the water meter pit.
Is he full again? Not too bad.
But at least you can actually see the water meter now.
Yep. Well, I've been had to take it out once or twice, isn't it?
Oh.
Nice gate, eh? And with the door that side and that side, isn't it, Brad?
Yes. I think this side is okay to open if we can dig it out both sides.
Yeah.
That side I'm not so sure on because of the there's a crack in the pillar.
Okay. We will see that.
Plus I need to do
on the outside, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna stop now. You do the rest now or tomorrow?
Well, I've got the wood to cut tomorrow.
Tomorrow? That's not gonna take a whole day. Alright.
We shall see how far I get with the rest of the petrol in that thing.
Okay,
Once
okay.
that's out, I'm done.
Okay. Woff, woff, woff. Bye. Go away. Plonker. Bye.